What's up, my star babies? It's your star girl here, and I'm back with another video. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this high bun look. So I'm going to be showing you the side, so how the side looks, the back, and yeah. If you want to see how to achieve this, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is me goofing around with my hair, but that's not what we're trying to achieve. So to achieve the high bun look, you're gonna need a wide tooth comb, a gel brush for your edges, a tail comb, and of course a bobby pin or bobby pins. So my hair is relaxed and it's gonna be giving the impression that I slicked it. To achieve a slick, click on the card right now and head over to my easy and fast slick. The same procedure applies. The only difference is that you're going to be brushing your hair upwards into a high bun. So yeah, key tip to my relaxed hair guys out there: make sure you do not relax the tip of your hair. You want it to have that thickness and you don't want to damage it. I forgot my scrunchie guys. That's me being dramatic. Anyways, make sure your bun, or should I call it pony now, is in the middle. So I'm done packing my hair and I'm gonna be pushing my hair forward, then I'm gonna comb it, then I'm gonna be wrapping it from my left to my right. Make sure your wrap isn't tight. To achieve the high bun look, you have to make sure your wrap isn't tight. As you can see, I'm still struggling, but I'm gonna get there. Don't give up guys, because it could be a struggle. Just keep trying till you perfect it. We need our bun to be laying on our heads, so y'all are gonna see that soon. This is me still struggling with the high bun. I had to tighten up so it stay in place. As y'all can see, we have a little space underneath. We don't want that, so we're gonna use the bobby pin to adjust that. First off, you loosen up your bun with your fingers and use the bobby pin to hold it down. And yeah, this is me adjusting my bun to the way I like. You want to make sure your bun has the high impression, like it being tall. It's a high bun. So yeah, I'm gonna be going off camera to do my edges. I'm back. As you can see, my edges are done. I definitely owe you guys an edges tutorial. I want it to be detailed, so I'm taking my time. Please bear with me. So yeah, that's the final look. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.